In a tranquil village by the river, lived a simple man named Platy. He was a fisherman, known for his gentle spirit and profound understanding of the river's ebb and flow. One day, Platy noticed something unusual. A small fish, different from the rest, had taken residence in the river. This fish was misshapen, with a flat, wide body and rounded edges, much like a discus. Platy named him Flatty. Flatty was often ridiculed by the other fish, who thought him odd and ungainly. He could not swim as swiftly as they, nor dive as deep. But Flatty remained undeterred. One day, a strong wind swept across the river, causing it to surge violently. The fast, sleek fish panicked and scattered, but Flatty, with his wide, flat form, was able to ride the current, calmly moving with the river's dance. The other fish, having returned, saw Flatty gliding effortlessly through the turbulent waters. They watched in awe as he gracefully navigated the river's tempest, while they struggled to keep their footing. From that day forward, the other fish no longer ridiculed Flatty. Instead, they began to understand that each of them had their unique gifts and that their differences were not to be mocked, but celebrated. Platy, the wise fisherman, saw the change in the river's denizens. He smiled, knowing that the river had taught them a valuable lesson. The river, in its own way, had shown them that it was not the shape of a fish that mattered, but the essence of its spirit. And so, the river continued to flow, its currents ebbing and flowing, carrying the lessons of life, love, and acceptance, much like the tale of Platy and Flatty. The villagers, too, learned to embrace their differences, understanding that they were not just a part of the river, but the river itself, each unique and essential in their own way.